Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name Muammar Syahidin Al-Khair. I'm robotic engineering class. Okay, I will explain what methods exist in my robot project by explaining using the following questions. Okay, this is a question. Okay, number one, explain for agile methodologies. Okay, my answer. One, there are four methods used in my project, namely, number one, planning is the step where the development team and the client design what is needed in a software to be made. B. Implementation is the stage where the programming team does the coding of a software. C. Software test. At this stage, the software that has been product will be tested or checked, which is my responsibility of the quality control department, so that bugs that are still found can be fixed immediately, so that's the quality of the software in maintenance. D. Documentation. If the software test phase has been completed, then proceed with the documentation process, where this stage intended to provide convenience to be maintenance or maintenance process in the future. E. Deployment. In the step take off, ensure the quality of the software created by testing the quality of the system. If the system product meets the requirement, the software will be ready to be development maintenance. The last stage carried out in the agile method is maintenance or maintenance. This stage intended so that there are no more bugs that interfere with the software. Therefore, this maintenance is very important stage and must be carried out regularly so that quality is always maintained. Okay. Question number 2. Regarding to your project, please identify priority need and robotic or system capabilities. Then write the system requirement review and concept design review. Okay, my answer: the system required will be used in your project. Namely, leader has an object detection sensor, a camera to detect surrounding object, and a detection sensor to store data for its function a cloud robot. At first, we made a design using Turtlebot sample as a review material. To produce perfect result, we modified it by adding a LiDAR sensor to determine the distance between the robot and the object, and we also use the RViz camera as a robot vision to the surrounding object so that there was no collision with the robot. So, planning and sampling using Turtlebot. First, this is a sample. This is the sample we use from Turtlebot 3. This is initial design. modified from by adding an object detection sensor. We make sensor leader to detection object, and the same time we added RFIS to camera to avoid the robot colliding with surrounding object. Okay, this is a final design, and we added camera RFIS to object this time. This is a final design and simulation. This is sample we use from Turtlebot 3. Okay, question number 3. Regarding to your project, apply system thinking to design robotic or system based on user requirement. The right preliminary design review. My answer, what we doing at this time is the simulation of the service robot, because we don't have prototype yet. So we started from robot design using ROS, robot operating system, and Gazebo using Turtlebot sample and the initial design, and we tried modification using automatic control and adding LiDAR sensor. As knowing the distance of the object, and the camera is a view of the surrounding object to avoid collisions on or collision from robot. The following preliminary design the with made. Okay, this is initial design. Initial design of the robot will be worked on the project. This is edition of RFIS camera, and we edit camera RFIS to see project this time. Okay, question number 4. Wait critical design review, CDR, draft design document and final design document. Okay. Number 4, we only run simulation and do not yet have prototype. To become finished goods or goods to be product because they are simulation. We only program and run Tok, ROS, and Gazebos. After we already have a mature simulation, we will gradually make the product. This is a final design with my project service robot. We don't have a prototype, and we have a simulation on the project PBL, and this is a final design. Okay, we and team waiting the prototype robot. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.